Roles of the President. Group 7. Chief of State. The face of the nation. What is the President's role as Chief of State? The United States does not have royalty, but the President is the closest thing to it. The President is constantly watched by the public and especially by the media. Everything the President says and does is observed, analyzed, and interpreted. News stories have focused on how the President greeted a foreign ambassador or what his wife, the First Lady, wore to a state dinner. Today, with the 24-hour news cycle, the internet, and social media, the President is observed more closely and constantly than ever before. As Chief of State, the President represents all U.S. citizens, both within the United States and throughout the world. What the President does in this role has not changed much, but as media coverage has increased and the United States has taken a larger role in world politics, the President has become more visible. The President's duties as Chief of State are largely ceremonial. They include presenting awards such as the Congressional Gold Medal, lighting the White House Christmas tree, hosting the Easter egg roll, and hosting state dinners.